Hello, in this video we're gonna check if REALME Narzo 50i Prime has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's nothing. Here's one speaker, that's a phone call speaker. At the bottom we have one speaker right here, and that's basically it. Now we'll need to play some music and cover each of these two speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from both of the sources. If the sound is coming from both sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. So now let's play music. So clearly sound is coming from only one source, this speaker down here, and this confirms the phone doesn't have stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.